morning, Torrance Beislein with VelociWrapper here. What I wanted to show you today is how to thread up a VelociWrapper with the wrap material. So first things first, there is a manual holder right there that has a manual with all the instructions of what we're going to do here today. So before working on the VelociWrapper at all, what you want to do, open up the back doors, rotate the carriage so that there's two rollers on either side of this hole in the top of this race pipe. And then take the safety pin, insert it. If your machine doesn't have a safety pin, let us know, we'll send you one for free. Undo this wing nut, swing it down, open the door to get your to access your wrap container. Now this will obviously be an empty roll, but you want to pull the plastic out. Grab your new roll. We recommend using VelociWrap. It's engineered specifically to run in the VelociWrapper. Insert your new roll, close the door, swing your bolt up and tighten down the wing nut. Okay, once you have your wrap inside the bin with the door shut, then you want to grab the tail that's coming out of the inside of the wrap roll. You want to make sure the tail's pulling out of the inside and it's not the tail that's on the outside of the roll. You reach in, you can reach in the top and bottom, stuff your wrap through the little bushing and through the guide pipe here, coming out the guide. Okay, after you get it through the guide pipe here, then you'll want to insert it into the tensioner going under the spring pin. From there, pull a little bit of slack, put it through the hole that the V-roller, this is the V-roller, is in. Okay, once you stuff your tail into the hole in the carriage here, you can reach through this hole that's under the wrap bin, grab your slack, stuff it into the V-roller underneath the rubber flap, and then when you yank on it, it'll actually pull it into the V-roller. Make sure you pull some slack at this point, enough to tie off to the cable. So this is the V-roller and this is the rubber flap that you want to go under. Once you pull your slack enough to tie off to the cable, then you can reach in here, grab this wrap cord, pull you some slack, wrap it around the drive roller, and then into the back channel of the triple flange roller. Now you want to make sure when the wrap is coming off the tensioner, it goes into the front channel of the triple flange roller. It goes in there first, and then when it comes around the drive roller, then it goes into the back channel of the triple flange roller. So there you go, it's all threaded up. At this point you take your slack, go back into the hole, the access hole, through the back and out through the exit roller here. Make sure your wrap isn't hooked on anything inside here. It's a free shot from the V-roller straight out to the cable. So from here you can thread up all three, pull them out here, tie them off, tape them to your cable, and hammer down wrapping. So that's how you thread up a VelociWrapper, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.